Hey guys, what's up? It's KashTV back with another video. Where you been at, girl? I don't know, man. Listen, okay? We gotta talk about life, okay? When you become a parent, everything changes, alright? So a lot has happened, and there's so much that we vlog that we didn't actually get to share. And so this is like a mashup of everything. Everything that you guys missed. If you guys want to see how Makai's been growing, and you want to see how we spent our holidays and birthdays, then stay tuned because we're about to go through all that, all those good times right now. Or grab a cup of tea or grab a drink and let's go. Alright, so the first thing I want to share with you guys, which was really huge for us, was receiving the first copy of our very first children's book called Makai and the Magic Balloon. So I'm going to show you guys that moment right here. Right guys, so we are so excited because, wait, where is it?
The package just came.
Mark, it did not, it was not right
Ooh,
there.
Look at this.
Put it there. We've been waiting for this book to come and it's finally...
Open it up, okay?
Alright, what is that? What? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, look how big it is!
Look at you, okay?
Baba, who is that?
Okay, alright, let me rip this open. Crack it open.
Oh my gosh, though, look, it's a book, Makai! This is so, why Makai looks so regular, like?
Yeah, I see all these.
Baba! This your book! What you think? Who's that? Is that Makai? That's you, Baba! You like it? On a cool sunny day, said a tot named Makai. He gazed out the window at balloons in the sky. He stared so long that his eyes began to close and he fell into a dream where a new world arose. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is from my birthday. Yes, my birthday was back in November and this is how I celebrated it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kasheera. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Many more.
Kitty's like, I want some fire.
Yay! Wow,
You got some
that
smoky
looks
wishes.
so nice. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, cake.
Wow,
They're so
thank
interesting.
you.
They like
Thank
it.
you.
Of course,
Thank
of
you.
course.
It's so beautiful.
Homemade, handmade.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Coolies.
Chef Allison. Chef Ingle. You guys, so as you can see, my awesome friend Allison made this amazing, delicious cake for me, and it was all raw vegan, and it was so delicious, you guys. I'll have to ask her to share the recipe because it was amazing.
I think she's supposed to cut the rest of them, right?
Is she?
The birthday girl got a
Yeah.
I was like, mommy approved. It's good. It's like cheesecake. Alright, next up is Christmas, you guys.
Look at you. You can push the pedals.
You have to learn how to ride it. Slipper style.
Try them on. See if they cozy. Little cozies. You gotta have cozies. It's wintertime coming.
So fancy. Why they fit?
Cause you fancy.
I love them.
Yeah, I had to hook you up, you know. Gold flakes, some gold nuggets.
Oh.
Got some gold nuggets up in there.
Oh my god! My bit is stone.
So this is the place we gotta go to.
Open it.
This is my. I'll have fun with that. Let's see what this is. Oh, long sleeve her. Nice. Next level.
Do you like?
Banana? Oh. Feels soft on my skin. It's small. This is like so. Oh. If you don't get it or you don't believe it, I don't have the time to teach you. Bitcoin. That's the new slogan. That's the new slogan for 2018. I ain't got time to teach you.
Cheese. Yeah, you guys, so that was our Christmas, and as you can see, Makai got so many instruments. Speaking of instruments, Makai is obsessed with instruments, you guys. He loves instruments. Like, I'm not even kidding.
Okay, so shoot.
Where's Daddy?
Yes.
Here I am.
Daddy's home. Hey.
Man, hey. Get your hat. Guitar.
Go ahead, play it. Nice.
Young Buddha on the strings. Young Buddha be playing them things. Ow, ow. Young Buddha on the strings. Ow.
Alright, and now we're gonna jump to December when Mark's sisters and nephew came to visit.
This is Alex right here. This is Drew.
That's Drew.
And it's Makai. Show him sing too. Sis, I'm here from the West. Watching you on the West now. Cash
Happy
money.
New Year!
Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Love you all. Alex on the drums, but I don't think you can hear a little bit. Drew on the accordion.
I need to put my arm, bro.
It's supposed to go right.
Alright, you guys, and that leads back to more recent events. Mark's birthday was in March, and we celebrated with our friends, and Makai had his little friends there too, so this is footage from that.
Hey now.
I can ride that. Thank you.
Keenan and Mark just showed up. Birthday.
Yeah, you do.
Sonny's over here grubbing.
I hope that's not going on Facebook.
Facebook Live right now. Hey now.
I haven't pulled my hat out, which I never wear.
We just walked in.
That's gonna cost you.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Nah.
They're so funny.
Hey!
Don't touch me.
It's okay.
Wet.
Everybody was wet.
What up? Let's get some half and half over
Oh, but
here.
you guys, you're using it. Oh, here.
Do you guys need share plates?
He might throw that.
Oh, yes, because he does not like.
With one coil the size of this phone, you can power an entire city. It's not even nuclear. It's not even nuclear.
That's the thing. It's like all that technology exists. Well, that was part of what made Black Panther so fascinating. Is because there was so much truth to that technology a lot of people don't say.
That's totally coming small.
You can put right here. Hey, small person. Hey now.
Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's part of my plan. Thank you.
Did you just patty cake them?
You know what?
Very much.
I want to say one thing. Thank you all for coming to the dinner. I may have to run again. If you pick this up, I'll go in office again. And let me be clear. All right. Here we go.
That looks good.
Yeah. Now I say that.
That's why I like it.
Yeah, this is a video.
Hey.
It is.
What do you want to say to the birthday guy?
Oh, what is it?
What do you want to say to me? Happy birthday.
You taught me everything I know. Happy birthday, man.
Yes, you guys, we had such a great time celebrating Mark's birthday, and I feel like you guys are now caught up on what's been going on with us. You guys see Makai is growing so beautifully. Like, look how big he is and just so freaking cute. And yes, we got the books, and I got more videos for y'all. And I'm just gonna put them out. You know, I don't want to be like, yeah, I'm gonna be posting this. I'm just gonna post stuff, you guys. I'm gonna be sharing stuff. I'm gonna try to post every week. That's my new goal. And I'm really trying to get to 50K subscribers. Like, I feel like I took so many breaks. You guys, I'm gonna make videos on the psychology of what it's been like to transition into parenthood and just how it affects everything and how my views of myself have changed over time and just the evolution of me. So I'm really excited to share like the personal growth stuff with you guys, some spiritual stuff with you guys. Alright, you guys, so thanks for watching this update, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, love you guys. Peace.